Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to install your PlayStation 5 side plates. If you're interested in the PlayStation 5 or you want to find out more about it, shop it, the link will be in the video description. Now let's go ahead, let's get our plates installed. First things first, we have to identify which plate goes where, and that's super simple thanks to this PlayStation logo here lining up with the PlayStation logo on the black plastic. So there we go, we know which side goes where. Pay attention to how these plates are installed. Basically start from the bottom, line everything up, and then gently press it in place. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to line everything up. It kind of just rests right there to begin with. So we have it on, right? That looks good. And now we just gently apply a little bit of downward pressure and we press it forward or to the top of the PlayStation. There you go. You hear it snap in, and that's it. We just installed one of the plates. Now flip it over, and let's do the second plate. Same thing. Pay attention to how everything lines up here. See all the holes there. Just gently rest it in place so we have it how we want it. And same thing, we're going to apply a little bit of downward pressure up at the top, and we're going to press it in, right? So that's what we got right here. Just gently press. There we go. That's it. There we go. Super simple. Focus on these corners. That will be your guide when applying that pressure as you're gently pressing everything forward. But it's that simple to get your plates back on your PlayStation 5.